My passion in science is about the brain. I think it's an amazing organ capable of incredible things. When I came to Mona's lab, I started working with this molecule called RNA, which basically gives us information about gene expression and how it's regulated and so on. We can use this information to diagnose very wide situation and diseases and disorders. I'm working with blood from patients, alive and dead actually, and I'm trying to find a way to use this RNA molecule to diagnose the disorder they're suffering from. My main study is actually about Parkinson's disease, where we work with both samples taken from a patient post-mortem who suffered from the disease for very long, usually about 30 years, and also from a dataset of the PPMI consortium by the Michael J. Fox Foundation, which collected samples from a live patient at the point of diagnostic and actually follow them up a few years going forward, which is an amazing opportunity because we can look what happened in the blood and in the brain after the person died, and then take it and look how it looks at the point of diagnosis. We thought that a disease so gigantic that affects so much of the person's life should have a biological marker also. This is where my second supervisor, Liran Carmel, comes in. I heard it's quite unique, but somehow I've been doing both the bench work, which is like working with all the tubes and the blood and extracting the RNA and performing qPCR and sequencing and everything, and also doing the computational analysis afterwards, which is what makes Liran and Mona such a great combination. I feel very hopeful that all of these amazing tools that we have here in the Hebrew University will help us finalize all the exciting studies we were working about, finding diagnostics and cures. I'm really excited to be a part of it.